Good morning, everybody. I hope that you had a safe and peaceful weekend. We welcome back year 10 and 12 from today, and we feel that it's completely the right time to have more young people back in our school. I just wish that we were allowed to have more of you back in before the end of term. We know that those of you in year 7 and 10 have missed your parents' evenings this term. Your teachers will therefore be ringing or emailing home. They started that last week and will be continuing to do that this week up until the last couple of weeks before the end of term. Please make sure that you are letting your teachers see your remote learning so that they can comment on that when they ring or email home to your parents. They really want to be able to base their comments on the things that they're seeing now, not just else what you learnt earlier in the year. For year 12 students, you will soon be doing your PPE, so good luck with those and make sure you revise thoroughly. Remember that we know more and more about how the human brain works and how it learns. And we know for certain now that the more retrieval practice, the more overlearning that you do of things, means that it will find it much, much easier next year when it comes to those exams. So good luck with that over these next 2 weeks. If current year 11 students who are looking forward to joining our sixth form in September, and we're looking forward to getting as many of you to come and study your A levels and BTEC level 3s with us. But if you're worrying about anything, then please do not hesitate to contact Mrs. Drewitt or any other member of the post 16 team. Okay, good luck everybody. Have a great week. I'll speak to you again next Monday. Thank you. Bye bye.